A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Breakfast News with the Sentinel. So, the top story in today's The Sentinel, of course, is the flood situation in Assam. It continues to be critical. The toll has already mounted to 85. The flood situation in Assam remained critical on Monday, with one more person reported dead at Sonapur in Kamrup Metro District, taking the toll to 85. Meanwhile, the main rivers and their tributaries were flowing above the danger level mark at various places across the state. The NDRF, SDRF personnel and respective district administration are carrying out rescue operations at various places. Altogether, 24 out of the 33 districts of the state have been affected during the last 24 hours. These are inputs that have been shared by the ASDMA, that's the State Disaster Management Authority. Now, as many as 24 lakh 30,502 people in 2,254 villages have been affected by flood. Altogether, 48,197, almost 50,000 people have taken shelter in the 276 relief camps which have been set up. There are 192 relief distribution centers which have been set up during the last 24 hours. Total crop area affected stands at 109,600 hectares. Also, a lot of cattle, big animals have been affected. A total of 9,45,600 big animals have been affected, besides 4,74,629 small animals and 9,70,123 poultry have been affected till Monday evening. This is the update as far as the flood situation across the state of Assam is concerned. Meanwhile, the state finance and health minister Himanta Biswa Sharma had visited the flood-affected Kaziranga National Park yesterday. Almost 90% of the park has been affected by flood, or the number of deaths as far as rhinos are concerned. The one-horned rhino, 3, the total there, the death toll of rhinos because of flood situation stands at 3. There, those are the visuals of Himanta Biswa Sharma in the speedboat visiting Kaziranga yesterday. In fact, he was accompanied by the Agriculture Minister Atul Bora. The Member of Parliament Kamakya Tasa was also there with him when he visited Kaziranga, took stock of the situation there. In fact, really very sad state of affairs as far as the flood situation across the state is concerned. In fact, this is something that Assam witnesses almost every year. Vast damages are caused every year. A lot of erosion, landslide taking place across different parts of the state. Meanwhile, there has been a lot of help that has been pouring in for the state. In fact, yesterday, Bollywood celebrities Varun Dhawan, John Abraham, they both tweeted requesting their fans to extend some help to the flood-affected people of Assam. Also, cricketer Kevin Peterson, John Abraham had tweeted yesterday, Varun Dhawan tweeted asking their fans to help, requesting their fans to help the flood-affected people of Assam. Now, Kevin Peterson, the cricketer, he too had sent a message saying that he stands with the people of Assam during these times of crisis. That was a message of solidarity. In fact, all of these and what we have seen in the past few days were solidarity messages sent in by football clubs, Arsenal and Chelsea. That there is the message that came in Assamese, that's from the Arsenal FC. They had created this clip in their Insta account. The all support pouring in. In fact, His Holiness the Dalai Lama had also written a letter to Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal extending help to the flood-affected people of Assam. Everyone standing by the people of Assam at this hour of crisis. In fact, it's not just floods. Assam also is fighting COVID. the numbers increasing every day as far as the coronavirus numbers in the state is concerned. So, of course, the next headline in today's The Sentinel, of course, is the number of corona cases. In fact, another major cause of worry for the health department in the state is the fact that there are many asymptomatic patients in Guwahati. So there are many asymptomatic patients in Guwahati, even as the number of people affected by coronavirus has not reduced despite the ongoing lockdown with relaxations. During the period from June 28th to July 19th, 2020, the city registered 10,140 positive cases, while the highest single-day spike of 777 cases was recorded on July 4th, and the lowest spike of 134 cases was reported on July 3rd. So, in fact, if you go through today's The Sentinel newspaper, you will get all the statistics required as far as the corona update is concerned for the state of Assam. You will have the whole data here in today's paper. In fact, I'm sure many of you must be really wanting to know what is the data look like, what does the numbers of corona in the state look like. So you will get all the data here in today's The Sentinel. Now, let's move to the other headlines from the region, from the Northeast. So, of course, corona cases continue to dominate the headlines. In Meghalaya, the tally of corona cases has shot up to 413. These are the positive cases across the state of Meghalaya. Meghalaya recorded 19 new positive cases in the last 24 hours, taking the state's tally to 413. Moreover, 3 more patients have recovered from the virus, bringing the total number of recovered cases to 52. The number of samples sent for testing till date is 28,455. The number of samples tested negative are 27,466, and the number of reports awaited is 520. So 520 reports yet to come in Meghalaya. So far, a total of 28,843 stranded residents of Meghalaya have come back to the state. So that is the update as far as the COVID situation in the state of Meghalaya is concerned. The Director of Health Services, Dr. Aman War, informed that out of the 19 new cases, 16 are from the BSF and 3 are civilian. So moving on next to Arunachal Pradesh. The number of cases, positive cases in Arunachal Pradesh has gone up significantly to 740. In fact, a record spike of 90 fresh cases on a single day has been reported in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh on Monday recorded the biggest single-day jump of 90 COVID-19 cases, taking the state's tally to 740. At present, Arunachal Pradesh has 455 active cases, while 282 people have recovered from the disease. The number of deaths stands at 3. A total of 39,288 samples have been tested in the state so far. So the capital complex has recorded most of the cases. The number of cases stands at 272, followed by 33 in Changlang district, 30 in Namsai, 24 cases in East Siang, 22 cases in Papumpare, and 14 cases each in Lower Subansiri and Lower Siang districts. So this is the update as far as the corona cases in Arunachal Pradesh is concerned. So also there are, the Arunachal Chamber of Commerce and Industries, in partnership with the State Health Department, is planning to conduct antigen tests for all traders across the capital complex under the guidance of Rapid Response Team Head, Dr. Gomi Basar. So some initiative being taken by the traders body there, the Commerce and Industries Chamber, planning to carry out rapid antigen tests there for the trading community. The tests have already started in Naharlagun area on Sunday under the charge of ACCI Secretary General Toko Tatung. This was informed to the media through a press release. So the traders' body taking steps to help the traders community in the state fight COVID. Naharlagun police station, again news from Arunachal Pradesh, the police station has been sealed. 9 police personnel were found COVID positive in the Naharlagun police station. Altogether, 9 new COVID-19 positive cases have been detected from Naharlagun police station on Monday. The district administration has restricted entry and exit to the police station. The area is put under containment for 14 days. So that is the update. These are the updates as far as the COVID situation in Arunachal Pradesh is concerned. Remember, the lockdown continues in the capital, Itanagar. So steps being taken by the state government there to contain the spread of the virus. Little bit of good news coming in from the northeastern states as far as the COVID situation is concerned. The fatality rate seems to be the bit of a silver lining there. In fact, 4 northeast states have less than 1% fatality rate as far as COVID cases are concerned. Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Mizoram, along with Andaman Nicobar Islands, have 0% fatality rate, while 14 states and union territories have a case fatality rate of less than 1%. So India's COVID-19 fatality rate has fallen below 2.5% for the first time, marking a significant dip and bringing the country in the queue of nations with the lowest fatality rates globally, while India continues to be among the top 3 countries globally to be worst hit by coronavirus. This can be seen as some bit of good news here as far as the fatality rate is concerned. Of course, going back to news from Arunachal Pradesh, the Nishi Association, the All Nishi Youth Association has demanded a white paper from the state government on the funds received from the center, as well as via donations from the people for combating coronavirus pandemic and the details of managing it. In fact, the Nishi body is very not too happy the way the Arunachal Pradesh government has handled the pandemic, which is why they are seeking a white paper with all the details of the funds that have come in and how the funds have been deployed to fight the pandemic. That is what the Nishi body has demanded. In fact, the association also expressed its resentment over the difficulties faced by the COVID-19 frontline workers in Arunachal Pradesh, and also the alleged manner in which the state government has been handling the quarantine centers. So not very happy with the handling of the pandemic, which is why they want the government to come out with a white paper and explain how the funds have been used and what are the steps being taken to take care of the people in quarantine and also the frontline workers in Arunachal Pradesh. So that is as far as the COVID situation across the northeastern states is concerned. Of course, the Manipur Additional Director General of Police Law and Order, Arvind Kumar, who had allegedly shot himself in his chamber, in his office chamber, with his service revolver. He was seriously injured and he was rushed to a private hospital in Imphal. He has now been flown into Delhi for treatment. So he is undergoing further treatment at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi. He's now admitted at AIIMS, and his condition is said to be out of danger at this point of time. So we are wishing his speedy recovery. That's all from the Sentinel at this point of time. Do log in to sentinelassam.com for all the news and updates. We will continue to bring everything that would be happening throughout the day today across Assam, across the Northeast, and also national and international news updates will be there on sentinelassam.com. Do not forget to log in, and also do follow us and subscribe to us. Do follow us in our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The accounts are there. Do log in, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors. Take care. Goodbye.